This video will show you how to completely remove and replace the flush valve from a Caroma one-piece toilet with a lever handle. Remove the valve head by twisting counterclockwise and then turn the plastic nut on the lever hub in a clockwise direction. You can now remove the base of the flush valve with a medium-size Phillips head screwdriver turning counterclockwise. It's quite a long screw attaching this portion, so it will take quite a few rotations. Pull out the base. Next, you can finish removing the lever handle by turning the plastic nut in a clockwise direction. Then, remove the black and white washers securing the handle. It's easiest to remove them one at a time, and then pull out the handle. To install the new flush valve, start by installing the handle, making sure to pay attention to the placement. It will drop down to a vertical position until secured inside the tank, but you should be able to pull the handle up to a level horizontal position. Insert the handle and secure with first the white and then the black rubber gaskets, and then attach the plastic nut by turning in a counterclockwise direction. Please note that if your toilet has a right-hand position lever handle, the method is exactly the same, but the nut will turn in the opposite direction. You can now attach the base of the flush valve by inserting into the bottom hole with the overflow tube turned to the right. Make sure that the base is properly seated into the hole and turn the screw in a clockwise direction until tight. You can now attach the flush valve head by simply inserting into the base and turning clockwise until it clicks into place. Make sure that the handle cord is facing to the left rear of the valve. Take the lever hub and attach to the inside of the lever handle and tighten by turning the plastic nut in a counterclockwise direction, making sure to hold the lever up into the proper horizontal position while tightening.